our camping trip, and this is my mom. We're hiking to the lighthouse, and and it's by
Lake Michigan.
Lake Michigan. So we're gonna hike to the lighthouse. So I hope you enjoy my video.
See you when we get there.
So we aren't at the lighthouse. I just asked my dad, could we do a video here? Because this is where shipwrecked.
Yeah, there's a schooner out there somewhere.
Yeah, and I thought it was pretty neat. We climbed up this sandy hill, and I got some sand in my shoe, but
We're about halfway to the lighthouse.
yeah, and how many miles to go?
Probably just under a mile.
Yeah, and then I forgot to tell you that I brought my scooter, so some sandy places I'll carry it, but I just wanted to do another video to put together of showing this, because
It's pretty neat.
yeah.
And the view out here is awesome.
And I think I saw some like stuff that's from the ship. I don't know if that's a shadow or something, Dad. See, it's like looks like a shovel.
Yeah, I don't know, but it's pretty windy out here, so let's head back down the mountain.
Yeah, we climbed it. We climbed this to just see was it like worth it to go. Oh, but why didn't we go?
Because it's pretty steep going down the other side, so it'll probably be hard to get back up here.
Yep, and my tires. So I hope you enjoy my video we're making. So stay tuned.
Almost to the lighthouse.
After halfway miles.
We can see it though. It's up there on the other side of that dune.
Yeah, this is a lighthouse. My own lighthouse.
I want to run with it. It might fall.
So we're finally almost there. That was probably, I don't know, maybe she's
So here we are, almost to the lighthouse. Adeline's getting tired.
Yeah, I bet everyone would be tired if we all did it.
So it's about 1.8 miles from the parking lot.
And I think I might take a nap.
You can either walk or ride your bike.
Yeah.
I would definitely recommend a mountain bike or a fat tire bike because there's some pretty sandy spots along the way.
Yeah, or make sure you don't use like a scooter like I'm using with small tires.
Yep. Or end up carrying it the whole time.
Can they see me? Yeah, so make sure you don't do that because like don't use, because you'll end up having to carry it the whole time. I had my mom carry it because I'm very tired.
Overall, it's pretty neat. There's a lot of little ponds here in the dunes.
And then
All kinds of neat stuff to see along the way.
and if you choose to go camping here, it's a pretty nice place. I recommend going here. There's like when you go here, if you want to walk, it's a 3 mile or 2 mile. I think
It's almost 2 miles to the lighthouse.
Yeah.
There's a shipwreck you can stop at along the way. If you do the shipwreck along the way and the lighthouse, you'll probably do 2 miles
Yeah.
each way.
And I need. But so, basically, on our way here, if you want to know facts and stuff, there's little signs like about the stuff that's in front of it, like a pond, what what creatures live in, what creatures live in that pond, and it tells you some neat facts, and it was really fun. Now I have to walk another mile back, so probably
2 miles back.
4 miles total. So I really can't wait. I'm probably going to take a nap when I get back. Maybe. I usually don't take naps, but it was really fun. We only had 2 days left. We might go rock hunting today. I don't think so, because we can't find a lot of rocks with all the sand, right?
Yeah, it's mostly sand,
Yeah.
except for the driveway rocks on the path.
Yeah, and that's
Limestone.
in your tumbler. So if you want to see us do more stuff like that, like this, comment down below. And wait, is this the end of the video?
Well, no, but we're at the end of the trail almost. And there's the lighthouse
Yeah.
coming up around this corner here.
We made it here, and there's a lighthouse. We were gonna do the video at the lighthouse, but we stopped it. It has a bunch of bicycles. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
So if you go here, make sure you check this place. It's out
This
over
is Big
here.
Sable Point.
Yeah, it's really cool.
It's pretty windy and wavy on Lake Michigan today out here.
Oh, some water got down there. Some
Yeah.
water got over the fence. And there's
Pretty neat shoreline.
really pretty. You need to go here. I really like this place so far. We only have 2 more days. It's really fun. I recommend people going here, but yeah, it's really cool. I just love this place. So far it's only been our 2nd day, but thanks for watching.
See you guys later.